Question number 1. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. So we have different linear equation, that is x plus y is equals to 4, x minus y is equals to 2, y is equals to 3x, 3 equals to 2x plus y. We need to plot these linear equation on the graph. So we need to first find the coordinates. To form a line or to draw a line, we need at least two coordinates. So we'll find for the first part, that is x plus y is equals to 0. So x and y. If I put the value of x is equals to 0, we'll get the value of y as 4. If y is 0, then x is equals to 4. So we have 2 points that are at x, that is 0 comma 4 and 4 comma 0. So 0 comma 4, that is this point, and 4 comma 0 is this point. So we have 2 points, we can form a line. So this will how your graph will look like on the actual graph paper. Next part, x minus y is equals to 2. So values of x, y and y can be, if x is equals to 0, y will be minus 2, and if y is equals to 0, x will become 2. So we get two coordinates to form a line, that is 0 comma minus 2 and 2 comma 0. So we have two coordinates, that is 0 minus 2, that is this point, and 2 comma 0, that is this point. So we have 2 points. Now by joining these 2 points we can form a line, and every point on this line will satisfy this equation. Next part, y is equals to 3x. That means if y and x we have, if I put y is equals to 0, x is equals to 0, that one point is on the origin. Next, if y is equals to 1, the x will be 1 by 3. So it will be difficult to plot 1 by 3. So next point will be, if y is equals to 3, x will be 1. So we have 2 points now, that is 0 0, that is easier to plot, 0 comma 0, that is origin, that is here, and 3 in y direction and 1 in x direction, that means this point, that is 1 comma 3. Next part, 3 is equals to 2x plus y. So in this we can have x and y here. So if I put x is equals to 0, y is equals to 3. So one point is here, that is this. And if I put y is equals to 0, x will become 3 by 2, that is 1.5. So it is much easier to plot than the 1 by 3 that we use in the previous question. So what we can do is choose one another point that is more convenient. We can choose x is equals to 1 and y will also be 1. So this point here is 1 comma 1, and here we can plot minus 1.5 comma 0.